Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn paint the face or the skin texture or color with just a single color. We'll paint this with the same contrast and the highlights. Follow along. So I've chosen one single color for my skin and a color for my hair. I'm painting with pen fit brush. Be careful while painting inside the lines because when the color goes out, it is very difficult to remove the color. It's actually a lot of work, not difficult, yeah, but a lot of work. So be careful while painting. After painting the color, you just have to add another layer and select the blending mode to multiply and choose airbrush 20%. And using the same color you used to paint the skin, adjust the brush size, start painting the contour areas like the nose and the cheeks and eyelids, under the eye area and the forehead. Take another layer and set the blending mode to add. Now reduce the opacity of the color and start painting the highlight areas. Be careful while adding the highlights. use the same technique to paint the lips and the hairs, to add the shadows and the highlights to the hairs and the lips, and you will be done. It's very easier when you have a reference image. Here I'm using just my imagination, as we all know the simple way of doing makeup. So, and do not forget to collect the layers, the add and the multiply layers to your previous layer. Also reduce the opacity of the layer, which is add to 25%. And then you can add many layers and continue working on the lips and the dress. So you can do this, you can use this trick for everything, like the clothes and the shadows and the highlights for the clothes. So just one color technique. Thanks.